Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It has been a weekend. Um, let's do some programming today. We're not gonna do Japanese. Yeah, I've been procrastinating Japanese a bit already, but it's okay. Um, yeah. I mean, if I'm doing medical school, then I don't really need to be revising anything. Otherwise, yes. Okay, I need to also have a basic plan for myself. Like, when do I want to study GP and stuff? So let's actually do that real quick. So, um, let's open Notepad here, and okay, so we'll just write down what I want to do. So right now it is 8 o'clock. Um, so we'll do Python and stream it up until breakfast. Then we'll finish it. Then I'll probably read a bit of that book, Secret, um, like the yellow cover. After doing that, then maybe we can practice some Arabic. And also, we know that at 12 we have the appointment, and at 1 o'clock we have Zohar plus reading. Now, what do we want to read? I think I want to read. Um, Obviously, I want to read. Um, oh, reclaim. ডিম সিদ্ধ মরি না কালকে ব্রেকফাস্টের মধ্যে বানাও হ্যাঁ দাও um when do I message her? I think I can message her here. This would be a good spot, or maybe here. Either are. Regarding what? মুড়ি খাবো না man, I'm such an idiot. Okay. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay, whatever. It is okay, my boy. Oh, ya Allah. Okay, I also need to do Japanese. So when do I do my Japanese Anki? I can do it here. And when do I read Japanese? Maybe I could do both here. Because Japanese is considerably easier than Arabic. Then when do I actually do my Arabic class? I can do it later on in the day, maybe even like at Maghrib time. But Maghrib time, I should probably help tutor Fatima. So we can do it after Asr time. Oh, oh my god. Okay. Can you strike through stuff? Actually, no, we don't need to strike through. We need emojis. Oops. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. So, Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Thank you, Daddy. কেন লাগবে না? খাবো খাবো নি। আল্লাহ, ওকে খাচ্ছি। নিচ্ছি রে। নিচ্ছি রে। কেন দিলাম বুঝলাম না। পেরেছো পেরেছো। অনেক গরম তো, একটু ঠান্ডা হয়। ওকে সরি, আমার দাঁতে বাড়ায়। ড্রপ হয় না। এটা তো ভালো ব্রেকফাস্ট না।
আচ্ছা দাদি তুই ঘুমাও এটা শেষ করতে হবে এখনই তা দাঁত নিয়ে চাওয়া শুবে রেখে দেবো লাগবে না আমি নিচ্ছি লাগবে না আমি নিচ্ছি দাদি শুনতে পারো না Well, I guess I had my breakfast first. Alhamdulillah. I'm really hungry. I really am. Which takes a tuple containing some identifying information as its argument, the name, and two integers. No, one integer and one float. This file should be processed and written into the file. This file may already contain some data, so you have to append it. The data should be written in the format name, age, height. Each entry should be on a separate line. Call the function should write this line to the end of the file. So Diary.write. Takes one positional argument where three were given. This was actually how it was supposed to be. That's really funny, actually. Okay, that should be it. Wow, that was really easy. Allah, ki korbo. I'm stressing, like, even though, even though I shouldn't be, even though I shouldn't be stressing, even though I know that it's no matter what, I will be okay. What do you mean course grading part 4? What the fuck? Oh, why? I hate you. Why? 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 Okay. Even though, like, I know I shouldn't be stressing, like, I know, like, no matter what, it's going to happen, and if it doesn't happen, then also alhamdulillah. Like, I'm not worried about anything. It's just, it would be perfect. You know what I mean? It would be perfect if I could study there. But not everything needs to be perfect, I guess. I mean, how is it even going to work? Long distance marriage. Is it sustainable? Is it really? But a lockout. Am I being naive? Ugh, I don't, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I got that. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking about this all wrong. I only did in a CSV format. That's our program which assesses students' performance on a score. The program reads a CSV file which contains weekly exercise plans received by the students. Okay. Damn, you're just calling it right there? Okay, boy. Kinda cold, not gonna lie. Kinda cold. Name is the key, pointless is the thing, right? So, wait, really? What? Why are you doing it? Why are you doing that? So, what do we want to do? Yes. Okay. We're not. Okay. We're writing to a new file. Okay. And essentially, I just want to write down all the points that he got, and then the grades for the subject that for that subject. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Makes sense. If we determine a certain functionality in the program needs fixing, in a well-designed program, the change will only affect some sections of the code, and it will be easier to determine where the changes should be made. For example, if we wanted to change the grade boundaries, we would only have to implement the change in the function for determining the grade, and it would also work in other functions utilizing this function. If the code for the single functionality was implemented in multiple places, there would be a definite risk that we would not remember to change all the instances when changing the functionality. Let's revisit the course rating project from the previous section. As we left it last time, the program read and processed files containing the students' information, complete exercise and exam results. We'll add a file containing information about the course. An example of the format of the file. Name. Um, wait, what? Okay. This program should then create two files. This is not like a CSV in the traditional sense that we know. Okay, so this program should create two files. There should be a file called results.txt with the following contents. Statistics section is identical to the results printed on part 3. The only addition here is the header section. Additionally, there should be a file called results with the following format. This program is executed, it should look like this. That is, the program only asks for the names of the input files. All output should be written to the files. The user will only see a message confirming this. Oh god, this is gonna be so hard, bro. Okay, actually no, it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, it is going to be the other one. How does this work again? I forgot. Damn, even the thing on the left switches. That's actually kind of crazy. So how does this code work again? So you put in the info, the data, and the exam points. Is there anything new that they're asking for? Yeah, and the course information. That's the new thing. Okay, this is a hard coder input. That's fine. Then student name dictionary is opened or is created with open student info as student database for lines to the database, blah blah blah. Student in parts 1, parts 2. Student name. Okay, so we're saying that uh, the name will be the key, and parts 1, parts 2 will be the thing. And there's just one big string. The exercise number with open access data. Um, why did I put F here? What? Okay. So line access database, blah blah blah. For item inputs 1 to end. Count plus int item. Access number parts 0 equals to count. Um, so first of all, part 0 would be the ID, right? So the ID is the key. And also, I'm pretty sure the student name ID is also the key. We are looking at student. we're looking at students one. Yeah, the ID is first, and then the first name and the last name is together. So the same thing we're doing over here where the ID is first, and we're totaling up everything. And we're making that the value stored in the key, which is the ID. Then we're saying an exam points the grade boundaries as exam database. For item in parts 1, why are we doing this again? Oh, okay. To get the total score of the exam points. Okay, fine, no problem. Then key name in student name items. If the key is an exercise number, so if the key of student name items matches with the key in exercise number, then first of all say that the value is total 1, and we calculate the percentage. And if that percentage is blah 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 blah, then you say tot is equals to this number. Else, if it's not in there, else what? Else, uh, and if the key is not in student name items, then the total will be 0. And if the key is in point score, then point will become point score key. The value stored in point score will be point. Now, or else, and if key is not in point score, then it will become 0. Total equals to point plus tot, and then again you just check the thing, and then you say name tot 1 tot point total grade. Total is both, and the grade is for this. Then tot and point are the total points and the total. No, what is total grade? Total grade is the score that you would get because of your total points. So tot 1, and then the tot, and then the total points, and then the total. Because you wouldn't get a grade based on the sum of the points. That's not really how it works. But you do get a kind of point grade due to the sum of your exam, like, you know what I mean. So okay. So immediately, what I want to do is I just quickly write down. We say course data is the input. Course data goes to course. I'm so dumb, bro. Alright, let's keep going. So now I don't want anything to be printed, so we can just comment on this. But now I do have name, top one, top, point, total, and grade. शेष question. So now I want to create one file for results.txt and another file for results.csv. In results.txt, okay, so now I simply say with, let's just take this line. Actually, since I'll be writing, I don't need to, I don't need to do too much. Um, uh, let's just write info. So this is gonna be okay. Actually, no, we're reading this. We're not actually writing this. Right? Yeah, we're just reading this, and then we write to results.txt. So with open course as info, we simply just want to see what is it actually we're getting from this. Uh, so all that's gonna do. Oh shit! Wait, what? All it does is just pastes it on the top, right? Only addition here is the header section. Okay, okay. So all it'll do is it'll read whatever is in here and it'll kind of paste it. Okay. So the information is already here and how it's supposed to look like is already here as well. So we're good. You just need to do it properly. So I'm guessing it should look the same every time I open it. So it needs to write down everything at once and not append it. So I want this to be in one data, like I want this to be in one thing. So how do I do that? I can do that by writing two print functions, right? So maybe I can put those two print functions in a function. That would be kind of cool. So I define a function here. Anyway, are these all strings? They are, right? So okay, I'll just type for line in info. I'll just okay. Let's just copy this. Okay, now since this is not a CSV file, this is not going to be possible. But what I can do is say whatever is after name till the end, right? So name will always be there at the start, right? So simply it is from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters. Right? 1, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth character till the end. So fifth character till the end. fifth character till the end. So text is equals to, or rather, name. We'll do name. Name is equals to fixed line 5 till the end. Okay. Then now it's gonna say name fixed line for every single line. We only want to do this for the first line. So when I say that um, the first 5 letters is equals to name, then we just do it. Then we just do it. So I'll say if fixed line equals to name. I'll just copy this. Then say name. What's the issue with this? Ah, okay, before I do that, I just want to make sure. Hopefully, nothing else should print. Let me charge my laptop. Okay. Oh, what is going on? It's annoying, but I need more space, man. Okay, we are printing that Y. I don't want that to be printed. Okay, let's do this one. Introduction to programming credits 5. Okay, so it's not working? Why did it do introduction to programming first? Or rather, wait. Okay. 5, 0. That therefore it is correct. I was actually trying to do 6. That this is what I actually wanted to do. Name, yeah, good. So therefore, let's say if fixed line this is equals to name, that is literally what it is. Then make name equals to fixed line 5, whatever is after fixed line 5. And that should be the same for every single one. Okay, now after I have that, I also need study credits. So I don't need to really do an if statement here. But let's look at how many things there are. So that's 0, 1. Okay, let's copy this piece of text. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. So, 14. So then I can say do I need to say like if fixed line needs to be anything? No, right? Because it's always gonna check this first, and this is always gonna exist first. So, bam. I could also say if it's the first line in info. Is info a list? I don't know. There's a lot of ways of doing it. I think this is okay. And we can just make sure it's okay by saying print name credits. Why is credits green? Oh, okay, credit. Well, oh wait, no. That's exactly right. Yes. Do I make this credits at the end as well? I could do that. I could probably do that. That would probably make my life a bit easier. So, um, nice. Okay. The comma makes sure there's a space in there, so we're good. One, two spaces. It is two spaces because there's a space after one of these. I don't know which one though. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully, we'll see. Um, hopefully that should work out. I don't know. We'll see. So then now I want to just simply open results.txt and write this. But this has to be at the bottom. So let's move this to the bottom. Okay, with open. Why am I doing F course data, dude? It's so I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, and it's stupid. There's no way. Okay. Results dot txt, and I'll make this one like this as results. Then I want to also say this is going to be. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe Calm down, she said that, bro. Can't believe that. That's insane. That is insane. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, that's pretty crazy. 6 W as results. So now I want to first write down results job. First I'll write down the name, uh, then the credits. কি হয়েছে শেষের দিকে it's two spaces there, so let's that is that always gonna be like that? We'll see. So I'll put it just like this. Okay, fine. So now what I'll do, actually, so if it's at the end of credit, that's the problem. Then let's go and fix that. Because I would much rather not have a space at the front. That seems kind of dumb. So this needs to be 15 therefore. And that should fix it. Yeah, okay, good. So now after I write that, then I also want to write the length of that whole string. So I'll say um, okay, so I'll say like text. Actually, not text. I'll say the line. The line is equals to this, right? Then just this. Then I'll just say print the line. Then I'll say um, I want to print down this equal sign times the length of the line. Uh, okay. What is this? Okay. Can we turn that off? And this off. Okay, good. Okay, that's not. Oh, that's not. Okay. Then. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know. I don't remember. Takes one argument. Oh, god damn it. Okay, fine. You win. Let's just put it like that. And then do I put in slash? Does that help? Can I put it in like this then? Does that work? Yay! It does work. but there's a space here. So we're gonna have to go 4? No, 6. Oh, this is really fun. Okay. Is it perfect? I think so. Then I print out exactly whatever was supposed to be printed out before. So then I write down results.line, whatever this was. This is okay. And then I write down results dot write. Ouch. Um, this whole thing. So I need to open the list. Can I just do this entire thing in there? If I do that, that will be the only way it's possible. So I go here, and let's just cut this for now. And I do that. Now I want to it cannot be past this line. Okay, yeah, nothing passes that line. Good. Okay. Now I want to do what's called what's the name? Results. Results dot write that whole thing. Okay, good. Or is it not good? What's wrong? Okay, nothing's wrong. Um, it will write it, but I also need it to start a new line every time. So then I will also write this. Okay, therefore I need to, can I put it in like this? No. Uh, so I will also put in that over here. Wait, what's the issue? Oh, okay, that one is there. Okay, so I will just do this. Yep, that looks perfect to me. But why is Becca not there? Uh, should Becca be there? I don't know why Becca's not there. Please don't do this to me. Why? Why are you not there? Oh. Oh my god, I'm stressing too much, bruh. I don't know why. Oh, yesterday night I was just looking at those messages, bro. Oh my god. I'm not programmed for this, bro. Genuinely, I'm not. I ain't. I just ain't. Tuned. Oh man, this is why. Oh. With Shia? Wait. Oh god. Shia was up? Oh dear. I don't know. I don't believe in sects or anything, but oh dear. I need to think. I need to just like calmly think. Like again, there should not be any reason for me to stress out. Like it it is completely fine. It's fine. It's fine. Like see what I'm stressed about. Let's talk. Let's talk this through. What I'm stressed about is is I get into this. One, first of all, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. First of all, it's long distance relationship. How is that gonna work? When can I meet her? When can I like you know? I don't know. It's just um. Oh, oh my god. I I'm stressed out if she actually does like me. Like, I'm worried, bro. I'm also worried a bit of my mental health. Like, am I okay? Am I going to be okay? Am I gonna like be able to study? I will, right? Like, I should be able to like survive. Hmm.
So yeah, it's just I don't know. A lot of questions, and I'm not really confident. It's like, what if things don't work out? Like, would I survive? Would I live? Could I keep going? Probably. Why am I thinking about that stuff? Okay, I just need to be confident. I just need to be confident. It's okay. It's okay. Let's keep doing this. Obviously, I'm gonna have like little second thoughts. Natural. Completely natural. Oh, yallah. Okay, let's see if this will work. Name 66 characters, breed Pekka Peloton 526 characters 0. What? Foul uses 60 is not correct with input. Da, 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 da. Oh, okay. Sorry. First of all, this needs to be true. So, oh, all results at 60 is not correct with input. This, which is what we got. Line. Whoa, why is it up there? What the hell? Oh, oh, that's where it is. Okay. Um, let's put a slash over here. Oh, oh. No, that doesn't work. Mm. Oh, also, we didn't write down the second thing. I just realized. Oh, wait. How long has it been throwing an error for? A student info, invalid argument. Why do you have that problem now? Not before. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. Actually, I'm being an idiot. Okay, okay, you have an error. Okay, if I press this again, will you still have that error? No. Concern. Now it's completely fine. So let's just do this and let's just check. It's still gonna be false, but
At least this should be done. Yeah, very nice. So now, wait, what? File should contain 3 lines, now there are 9 lines. Oh, okay, no, that's results.csv. So what he's talking about here is this one over here. So I also want to make a new file. Let's adjust this stuff. So I also want to make a new file with open results.csv, w as file. I want to write down the ID, the name, and 013. What is 013? What is 013? The grade. Okay, sure. So file dot write uh, can I just say if I keep this in this, then it's for key name in this. So that would be fine, right? So let's tap this. There, let's tap both of these. How much? One more. Okay. So now I want to put in the key, the name, the grade, and then a slash. I don't know why that that error happens. It's confusing. Okay, now it's not, it's only one line. The last one. Oh my god, that is a gigantic file. What the? Excuse me. Okay. Um. Uh. So, what is the issue? Ah, okay. So every time it's opening the file and rewriting the entire thing. So what do I do? Um, so I'll just write the loop again, right? So just be like, is this okay? And I can just move this up. I can shift tab this, I can tap this up.
What's the issue? What is the issue? Is there something wrong with this? Yeah, what's... I'm confused. Okay, now it's okay. What about now? Now it's 333. Why? 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 Why is it written 333? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. Oh no, it does make sense because the grade is calculated each time. Shit. Ah, God damn it. Damn. Okay, fine. So then we'll do it again, bro. We'll write the whole. Okay, this is really badly written code. Okay, I won't lie. This is quite bad. This is quite bad. But it's okay. I mean, this is a whole new file, so it's fine. Oh wow. Okay, nice one. Uh, this is okay. Boom. Yay. It's not gonna work. I hate doing this over and over. Okay. Why? Why? File results.csv is not correct with input 1. Done. Is not what was expected. This file should contain the following 013. What? What do you mean? Huh? That is what it says. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back up. Peloton 0. Okay, wait. Why is there a colon after that? What the fuck? Did I accidentally write that? Oh my god. That's so funny. That's so funny. That is so hashtag hilarious. It's so hot. Oh my god, and we have 2 more. I'm gonna die. Okay, let's focus. About that's just very different. Okay. I don't know what she's doing right now. Like 161 lines of code, by the way. Like, okay, sure, half of it or more than half of it was just copy pasted, but like, hey, look at me go. Okay. What do I tell him?
I don't know. 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 What? What? Zizzy bags? That's so weird. Oh my. I keep on leaking this. Oh my god, I feel like such an idiot. I'm closing that. I'm sorry. This is just too much. Ugh, god. I keep on freaking. Ammo 12 p.m. appointment. The I had the Muri and Deem. Is that okay? Huh? Okay. This is embarrassing. Oh, it's an insect. This is zero. The last animal in the dictionary is the Ziziva. I mean, yes, three Z's and two Y's. It's gonna be at the last. Zymogenic zymology. Zowie. Zucchinis. Wowie zowie. um, well, you learn something new every day. This template contains the file words.txt. Make a function called findWords, which returns a list containing all the words in the file which match the search term. The search term may include lowercase and wildcard letters. Dot means that any character is acceptable in this place. For example, CA would yield words like cat and car, and P.NG would yield words like ping and pong. And .A.E would yield words like what? Wait, what? Oh, cat and car. So any letters can be in the place of the dot. Okay, interesting. So oh wow, this could actually help me cheat in Wordle, like like crazy. Okay, that's funny. So yeah, that is literally how you can cheat in Wordle. Um, I wrote a program. Okay. An asterisk at the end of the search term means that any word which begins with the search term is acceptable. An asterisk at the beginning of the search term means that any word which ends with the search term is acceptable. For example, the key CA star would yield words like California, cat, caring, and catapult, while star ANE would do crane, insane, aeroplane. There can only ever be a single asterisk in the search term. If there are no wildcards in the search term, only words which match the search term exactly are returned. You may assume both wildcards are never used in the same search term. The words in the file are all written in lowercase. You may also assume that the argument to the function will be in lowercase. How on earth? Okay. The Python strings method starts with and ends with may be useful here. You can search for more information about them. So it starts with and What does it do? A built-in programming methods to check how a text string begins or ends. Both methods return a simple true or false answer, making them highly useful for input validation and filtering data. Checking if a file name ends with .pdf. Checking if a sentence starts with hello. Okay. How am I supposed to use that? Can the star only be at the start and the end? Okay, I see. A dot, anything in its place. It's so funny. Okay. So I need to make a list from A to Z and place every single letter in that in that spot and then check if that resulting word exists. That's the first one. The second one is a problem for later. So now the thing is it's a string. So I can't just change the dot in the string. So I'm gonna have to do something else. I'm supposed to turn each letter into into items in a list and then just keep on deleting and changing which item contains the dot. And then every time I replace it, I check if the like all the characters afterwards, if anything exists there. I think that's it. So now, um, can I just say item index? No, it's not. Enumerate. So then, if item J uh, special index. Okay, now I have the special index. Uh, okay. Okay, so now I want you to pop. So character list dot pop index. Oh, special index. And then I want to so I use item. Okay, then I want to say the word. How do I? Is there a way of like quickly getting like if a list is a list of characters of a string? Is there a way to quickly? Would it be like this, like the thing with nothing in between? Oh, it's dot join. Wait, really? Oh shit. Okay, damn. Well, okay. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh my god, that is. Um, Hmm. जी আসতে সে cannot access local variable special index. Is special index a local variable? Special index is equals to index. If I say string object has no attribute append. List assignment index out of range. What? Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, so first of all, the first thing I noticed is the item is actually on the right and the index is on the left, even though I said item on the left and index on the right. Second thing is it doesn't seem to understand what I want it to do. If item is equals to this, then special index is equal to index. But actually that doesn't happen, even though it's a period. Huh. Um, oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, therefore I think it's index and then item. Maybe? Okay, there you go. Damn, who is shouting, bro? How about now? So now, it's still out of range. Okay, okay. Special index is going to be 1. Oh, it's writing stuff. Okay. It's writing PAG then PB. Okay, that is not. Pop is not the one there. Okay. Oh, bro, it's like 12 a.m. I was sleeping that. Okay. Gonna cover night, kitchen night. Um, let's just keep that like this. Could that work? 'Cause I hate this. Okay. Yes. Nice. Okay. Good. I don't know why there's none over there. Yikes. Okay. Let's just let's, let's just. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Embarrassing. Damn, someone's emotional today. Tell you. Okay. Pang, 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 altered person, then none. None thing is kind of like weird. 'Cause- oh, therefore it should return a value that it wants to print. So now check if the word is in that. And if it is, then print it or return it. Actually, I need to return something. So, okay, it returns a list of words. So, G. Whoa. Bam, do I need to? Man, why do you make me do these things? Okay. Can I finish this? Yeah.